Hello, my name is Dan Quock. I'm the Director for Residence Life at Columbia Basin College. Sunhawk Hall is the first residence hall at Columbia Basin College. We opened in 2017. It offers apartment-style living for the community at CBC. Some of the amenities offered at Sunhawk Hall are laundry, vending machines, lounge and study areas, outdoor patio and entertainment area, full kitchens, and more.
Hello, my name is Brooke Stober. I am a resident advisor here at Sunhawk Hall at CBC. So I am from Walla Walla, Washington. My major is history and I'm minoring in education. What I like best about student housing is it's very affordable. I'm super close to campus. It's about a 2-minute to 5-minute walk depending on traffic. I get to help students whenever they need help. I'm in charge of one floor. I get paid to work up front at the front desk and I get to build a community. I would really recommend future students to come and check it out. It's a great place to call home.
So my name is Rigoberto Campos Jr. I'm a resident advisor here at the Sunhawk Hall. We really get to enjoy ourselves, be a part of our community, and grow as a whole. Assistant director and the director of Sunhawk Hall, they're amazing, great guys. This is going to be my 3rd year here at CBC, and I'm majoring in viticulture and enology. And living in the Sunhawk Hall, I've learned some great experiences and value skills that I'll be needing in order to be successful. Living on my own, making sure I'm using my money wisely, paying bills, cooking for myself, and everything that I need to do in order to live on my own. Whether you're a student, an athlete, an RA, or just a transfer student, the Sunhawk Hall is a great place to live in.
There we go.
My name is Jaiden Blakely and I'm majoring in elementary ed. What I like most about CBC is having a beautiful campus and kind and willing staff members to be able to help me out no matter what the problem is. My first favorite thing is definitely having like your own bathroom and not having to share like a communal shower. My next one is also part of the room, like having our own kitchen so we can cook and make our own meals in there. And then the third would probably be having the golf course right here. I love the golf and it's super close and it's a super nice course.
A lot of students, when they first come to college, they believe that a dormitory is really dark and this is a place where they end up sleeping and that's about it. But here, Sunhawk Hall is a residence hall. We have a community and we try to promote and create an educational environment where they can also be social and interact with others. We offer several different types of rooms: singles, doubles, triples, and quadruple size rooms, each with their own kitchen, living room, and bathroom, with all the utilities offered, including Wi-Fi. To apply for student housing, visit housing.columbiabasin.edu or call 509-542-4550.